how's everyone doing? I hope everyone's doing great. We just got to the Fukuoka Hakata station and from Nagasaki. We just got off this train right here, and I just noticed that there's another train right here as well, which looks pretty cool. And we're gonna be on our way to the hotel soon. I just want to show you guys this crazy train over here. I don't know which one this is. This thing. It's crazy. And this is the train that we took from Nagasaki. There's some people eating ramen here. Alright, so I found this area down at the station. Maybe like some eating area. It's pretty cool. Oh, look at that. It smells really good. Whoa. Actually coming here like on the train, it looked kind of just like Osaka from the window. It was a 2-hour train ride from Nagasaki, so it was pretty quick actually. This is long food dining. Man, this place is packed. Chinese rice? Chinese food? Oh. We got some teppanyaki inside. That's pretty cool. I think this is the end of it. Whoa, like leads into some underground shopping area. It's crazy. There's a bus terminal that way. I'm sure this connects to maybe a mall. Oh, the subway. That's where we need to go. Okay. Well, we know where to go now. That's pretty good. Alright, it kind of just ends over here and ends over there. So we're just gonna go back, take the subway. The subway's playing I Feel So Excited in the karaoke version. I don't know if you can hear it. Alright, wow, we just got to the main street and it looks like there's so many things here. But there's only 3 subway lines, so it's a pretty small little city. But it looks like they have a lot of food to eat around here, so that's pretty good. Kind of lost right now. Buffet? Oh, we'll come here maybe. Oh, there's so many things here around our hotel. Crazy. This is the first time here, so everything is like brand new to us. Feel like fish out of water. The Bentley. This lady was speaking Korean. What is this? Oh, it's a Takashimaya Mall? Nice. You know, we'll be doing we'll be going in there. Oh, okay, so this is the river. It's kind of like Osaka, but maybe smaller. Interesting. So I'm gonna give you guys a full tour of the hotel that we're staying at right now, and then we'll go find something to do. All right, we thought we were at the wrong hotel because it looks terrible from the outside, and it's because I think they renovated, but they only show the picture of the bottom part, so but it looks terrible from the outside. Alright, so that was actually the wrong hotel, and I'm kind of happy because it looked really terrible from the outside, and also it was really close to like the shady area with all the girls bars. So that lady was really nice and showed us where the real hotel is on her computer, so we're on our way right now. It's like 2 minutes away. No, this way. I found this cool camera shop near the hotel. We'll come here later, check it out. Looks pretty dead though. I think because Oban holiday. They got a curry place next door. I think this is it. Oh, this looks so much better than the other place. Yeah. Oh, I'm pretty happy. Yeah, that other place looked really seedy. All right, so the other one was not the hotel, which that one was pretty nice, but it seems like there's a lot of food around here. All right, this is the hotel right here. Oh, this place looks nice too. Looks all right. Not as nice as the other one, the second one, but here it is. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys the room right here. Alright. Can't see anything. Whoa, it's tiny. Alright, this is the room. It looked bigger in the picture. This is the superior room. Get a TV. You get a place to sit. No real desk. Let's see the bathroom here. Yeah, it's pretty small.
It looks nice.
Yeah, it's not too bad. Yeah, it's really tiny. And then you got a place here to put your things. But yeah, I wasn't expecting it so small, but yeah, I guess when you're in the city center, you're going to get a smaller space. This room was pretty cheap. It was only like 35 bucks a night. $35, which is, this is nice too, like how they have the 2 blinds. Sometimes it gets too light in the morning. It's cozy. It's kind of very it's like a Western style hotel. And then you got some slippers here. I brought my own slippers because some of these cheaper hotels don't give you them, but they all had slippers. And they got a nice looks like a 40-inch TV. It's not bad. And then a little table where I guess this is my editing station. And then yeah, they give you like this like speaker. They got a phone. And this, I believe this is a queen size bed. And there's some like controls over here. USB, which is nice. The other one didn't have one. The other one was more like an apartment style hotel. That's pretty much it. They had a nice lobby, and then they also have free coffee for 24 hours, which is nice. Let's check out this bathroom. How many slippers did they give us? Okay. Alright, so they got towels here. And yeah, I mean, this is your standard bathroom in Japan. As long as they have a bidet, I'm alright. The bidet at the other hotel was really crazy because this butt action was moving front and back, which I've never felt before, which was really interesting, but I felt really clean. That's pretty much it. That is the full tour of our hotel room. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys the gym right now. They have a guest room, they have vending machine, laundry, and they got a terrace, a rooftop. The restaurant in the first floor looks pretty nice too, but I don't think we're gonna use it. The laundry room is this way. Okay. Got some laundry, got some vending machines, okay. Check out this other area. Oh, this is nice. I'm gonna work out maybe tonight. They got dumbbells, they got this Smith press machine. They got a little bicycle. That's pretty cool. And they got a little roof area. I guess it's not open maybe. You gotta open it. figured out. I don't know what you use this area for, but we got out here. Here's a rooftop view. This is the first floor. Restaurant over there. There's the restaurant over here. Alright, so they also have like a rent-a-car here, which is really nice if you come here. You can come here by train and then rent a car and drive wherever you want to go. But in this city, I don't think you really need a rent-a-car, or you don't need to rent a car. So we're gonna go out here, we're gonna look for some food. We're kind of tired because we had to wake up early. I think this place is really nice. It's very different from Nagasaki. I don't regret not going because Nagasaki was nice. It was nice and relaxing, but this place is more like it has a city feel to it. So I think there's a bunch of malls around here. We're gonna try to find something to eat. We got like Les Miserables. I think this is where they have it. Some sort of theater. Oh, I think the characters are all Japanese. Oh, it's gone. Is it in this place? It's interesting. Is that Chinese or Japanese?
What?
Oh, that's Japanese, right? The show?
Yeah, of course.
I don't know.
It's so different.
Alright, so we have this mall here. It's called the Hakata Riverine? Rival, is it Japanese? Riverine Mall by Takashimaya. Alright, let's go in here. Cool, they got an Ampama museum. I really want to go to it. Actually, I want to go to the one in Kobe, but there's so many kids there and I'm usually by myself and I don't want to be like a creeper. Alright, so we left because there's no food there. Well, food that we liked. This river looks really dirty. Smells dirty too. Oh, we got another mall over here. Gates Mall. There's a Don Quixote. Alright, we're at another river. It's raining a little bit. This really looks like Osaka. We don't know where to go though. What about that mall over there? Alright, this place is called Across Fukuoka. It's a concert hall, but they said that there's food inside, so we might look inside. Whoa, what is this place? Whoa, it's like a movie. What? So I guess the concert hall's over there. There's like a mini mall downstairs. I feel like there's nobody in Fukuoka. Acro Square. Hopefully they have something delicious down here. It's pretty empty everywhere. See, a ghost town, this place. Soba? See, oh, watch out behind you. That looks pretty good. What is this? We're thinking about eating Korean food. We might do that if we can't find anything. Whoa. Japanese fritter? What a weird looking restaurant. It's like something out of a movie. Just one person restaurant. What is this place? Chinese food and Japanese food combined. What is this? Oh, it's like one person sukiyaki? They had Thai food as well. Alright, so we left. There wasn't any food, but I thought this was like an 11-second countdown, and there were these in Nagasaki as well, but it's actually a bunch of dots going down until the green light. But this whole time I thought it was an 11-second countdown. They had this in Nagasaki, yeah, but we don't have this in Osaka. See, oh, they also have a countdown for the green light as well. Do you see? I don't know if you can see, but it's going down. They're like mini dots, which is pretty cool. It's rainy, and we found a mall, so we're gonna go there. It's raining. Alright, we're just gonna go underground because it's raining. I think everything's connected downstairs. Wow, what is this place? What the heck? Oh my gosh. Oh, I should have brought the other battery. What? Where is this? Wow. Alright, we got to Parco Mall. Well, I want snacks too, you know. Oh, these are like old school cookies. That's probably handmade here from scratch. It smells delicious. Cornflake. Alright, they got some Korean food. I think we're gonna go. There's Korean food here. What is this place? It's like another dimension down here. Whoa! It's like a huge food court.
You already forget this corona.
Who, me? Oh, they have some grilled meat. We can eat this. I can eat this. Whoa. Ohms? Rice bowl, ohm rice.
I can eat here.
Yeah. Whoa. What the heck is this place? It's like a labyrinth. Beef? Oh my gosh. Chinese food? Oh, just fried rice. Where's this Korean restaurant? Alright, we stopped by this restaurant. It's sort of like a Vietnamese restaurant plus Japanese restaurant mix. We got this this pho, like Vietnamese noodle, and then we got the tongue. Alright, here's the tongue. And then they give you a side of green pepper. It's very chewy, but it's beef tongue, so it's pretty good. Alright, here is the pho, but there's no spice. I need some spice to this. I think it tastes pretty clean, but it's kind of far from the authentic Vietnamese noodles. And they don't have any like hot sauce or any sauce to put in it like you would in a Vietnamese restaurant. Yeah, we're just talking about eating the noodles in Vietnam. We went to Vietnam and we've been there twice. And the pho in Vietnam is really delicious. This is more for like pho for like Japanese people. It doesn't have that strong flavor like it does in Vietnam, but it's still good. Alright, that food was pretty filling. This video is kind of getting too long, so I'm gonna cut it and we're gonna go look around this Parco Mall. We're gonna go eat a lot of food, I think, eat a lot of snacks. So please look out for that future video. Thank you for watching if you watched all the way through, and see you next time. Goodbye.